Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a quick repair here. Well, actually this has multiple repairs, but we're going to do one right here on the camera. So this is an Electra 220 electric Smith Corona, and it's got a noise. Well, it had a noise and now it's quiet. Okay, let's see if we can make it. It's buzzing like crazy here earlier. Oh, there it goes. Hear it if I move something around here, maybe. I know it was coming from this motor, and I have a feeling I know what it is, but it's not doing it. Well, there it goes. Turn the radio off. It gets a lot louder than that, but it's something to do with the motor, and I'll show you what it is. Okay, so I'm just going to remove this little shield here, and let me tilt this on its back a little bit. See if I can see. Okay, I think I see what I was looking for. So this motor's got windings right there. Is a paper clip, and that's causing that vibration. See how it wants to vibrate? Look at that. Isn't that weird? There's another one down here too, it looks like. There's the one that's making the noise. So it's magnetically drawn to that, and then it vibrates, and that causes a rattle when the electric machine is on. So yeah, there was two on this side. Sometimes they get on top of this motor, on the top up here. Let me tuck this thing back in. Sometimes this piece will vibrate. This seems to be all right, but yeah, sometimes they're on the top. These paper clips end up lining up here beneath this plastic piece, and sometimes you can get it out with a compressed air or something, but generally speaking you have to take this off because it has a tendency to kind of, you know, there's a little bit of magnetic in it, and it sticks, paper clip will stick in there. Okay, so that's it. A little 5-minute video on electric motors that rattle, inconsistently rattle, is usually looking for a paper clip. So next thing I'm going to do on this video, or on this typewriter, is maybe adjust this this return clutch here for a softer return clutch. I'm thinking about it, but at least the rattle is fixed, and we're done with this video. Good day.